So when I was about 16 years old, I decided I was finally gonna get a six-pack and that amazing body, and then all the girls will be running after me and I will make my ex jealous. And whatever, I was gonna look amazing. I went to YouTube and I searched up like how to get a six-pack in 2 months and whatever. I wanted to get it as fast as possible. So I found some video with like a bodyweight routine for getting a six-pack, and the guy in the video was obviously shredded, so I was like, well, if it works for him, it must work for me too. Besides the bodyweight routine, I also put like weightlifting like twice or 3 times a week. It was just like a messy routine, but it was something that I figured out by myself back then. So I guess it kind of worked. I got some definition, but however, I was looking at my body in the mirror and I was like, okay, I see like some lines, I see my chest is getting developed a little bit, but it's still like really small and my physique looks kind of weird. It just kind of looks different than what I see in pictures. I thought maybe I have bad genetics, maybe my body just looks weird when it's muscular. Well, eventually I figured out kind of the reasons why this happened, and maybe you're struggling with the same thing, so I want to help you understand the reasons why your body looks kind of weird and skinny and not just the same as you see in pictures of bodybuilders. I'm gonna give you 3 common mistakes that happen in the gym that might prevent you from looking the best you can. First, I'm gonna give you like a basic mistake that will prevent you from looking any way at all, and that is not starting gym. So you might be in this phase right now where you're researching how to do this routine, how to do this, how to exactly stick, what are the basics of the gym. The truth is that you just need to start and you will figure things out along the way. If you wait forever to start, if you wait for the perfect time, if you wait for when you know everything, that's never gonna come. You need to start now, as soon as possible. Even if you don't know everything, even if you're not an expert, but that's okay, because you will figure things out along the way, and that's the best way to do it. So in conclusion, you don't need to know everything right now. You don't need to be perfect to start. Just start as soon as possible. If you can do it today, then do it today. The second mistake that many people do with the gym is that they are not bulking. Bulking means that you're eating more calories than you're burning. So you're gaining weight. Why is that good? Well, maybe you want to lose weight. Well, to get a six-pack, you want to lose weight. Well, this is the thing. When you lift weights and work out and you are not eating enough, what will happen is that you're not gonna really get the same results you wanted to get, because to build muscle, to build a chest, to build big shoulders, you need food to fuel that growth. It's growth, it's gaining weight. Building muscle is not losing weight. Obvious. This should be obvious, but some people don't understand it, and that's okay, because I didn't either. To gain muscle, you need to gain weight. To get big and strong, you need to gain weight. This is the mistake I was making in the story that I told you. I was looking weird, I was looking skinny, my chest was looking small, my shoulders were looking small, my physique was looking weird, and that was because I wasn't eating enough to fuel it. I wasn't eating enough to grow. I was just getting some definition, but I wasn't growing. That's why I was looking kind of weird. And the third mistake you're making in the gym is that you're not being in it for the long run. If you want to get a six-pack or build muscle in a month, in 2 months, and then quit, you can quit now, honestly. The thing is, as soon as you stop doing gym, you're gonna stop getting results, and not only stop, but also reduce your results. So when you stop doing the gym, in some time you will go back to your normal self. You will not keep the muscle after you stopped. You will never keep the muscle after you stop. So you have to be in it for forever. You have to be working out forever if you want to keep that body that you built. There is no quick fix. There is no 1 month and you will get a six-pack. There is none of that. You need to be in it forever, and you need to be okay with your progress taking time, because that's the only way you're ever gonna make progress. That's all I wanted to say for this video. If you liked it, you can subscribe and you can check out more of these videos. They can help you in your self-improvement, your gym journey, your diet journey, everything. So again, if you liked it, you can subscribe. That's all I wanted to say. Stay disciplined, follow God, and bye.